Transforming education and sustainability has never been more urgent. The journey starts here, with Plan A's innovative approach. Initially, Plan A struggled with an old newsletter format that couldn't keep up with growing needs for sustainability education. Recognizing the gap, they envisioned a dynamic platform dedicated to training global leaders in sustainability and decarbonization. In less than a week, Plan A built their e-learning platform with Softr, revolutionizing how they educated professionals. Growth Manager Guillaume Duvernay emphasized the ease of use with Softr, facilitating an optimal user experience right from the start. The platform combines self-paced learning and live webinars, providing a rich educational environment for over 5,000 eager professionals. With support from the no-code community, Plan A's building process was smooth, even when challenges arose during development. Guillaume stated, "Building our app simplified everything, allowing us to focus on delivering value without technical distractions." Users enjoyed personalized experiences, accessing key resources and engaging in live webinars that truly impacted their sustainability journey. Looking to the future, Plan A plans to expand its programs into new industries and cater to diverse sustainability needs.